Hi, my name is Just Ibe and I am the president of the Association of African Startups. Today, I want to say to you from the bottom of my heart that if you are one of those startups who believe that every information you need, you can find on Google to grow your business, you're a bit flawed. Because what that means is you will get certain level of information, you probably will get certain level of results. But what would happen is if you are carrying yourself and comparing yourself with the market where you fall in or the category of market where you play in, you will find that your results may be short-lived. So what I'm trying to say is Google is not a business coach. It's for you to search for information. However, your ability to transform those information into usable wisdom that will give you results in your business is what determines whether you will grow and whether you would even make any form of profit in your business. And so if you're listening to me today and you have been thinking what structured program you can be a part of that would help you literally grow geometrically in your business, then you should be a member of the Association of African Startups, because what we have done is draw out everything you need and we took it from a place that is so important, your mindset. We broke down your mindset into 3 different categories and we're bringing 3 different experts across Africa to deconstruct that. And listen, the way we are going to be teaching you mindset is not what you have been used to, because we have created a learning methodology that allows this concept distilled to you in actionable steps and so that you can measure what you're doing. And that way you can see very quickly the results you're looking for in your business. Because listen, if the mindset is flawed, what will happen is the results you're supposed to attract, you won't be attracting them. And then you keep saying, oh, but I bought this course, I learned this on Google, it's not working. It's because Google is not necessarily a business coach. But here at the Association of African Startups, you have access to 36 coaches and consultants, 12 mentors who would help you through your 1-year journey of being a member of this association. So take it that aside from being a member of a very cool association of movers and shakers in Africa, we are also coming there to empower you with all the skills and all the knowledge and all the strategies you need to excel. It's such a giveaway, and it's because we are so very interested in the growth of Africa, but we need you. Yes, you listening to me today, we need you to be able to build what we see Africa can become. And so all you need to do to be a part of all the benefits I've just listed is click the link beneath this video or the link in our bio, www.tasafrica.org/payments, so that you would be able to become a member. And I think all it will cost you is $15 a year. You heard me. $15 a year. I don't know what you're still doing, but go right now and join the link in our bio to pay. But most importantly, I need you to do one thing very seriously. Get your friends, get your colleagues, get your association members, get people that you know. It's not going to be great if only you in your circle is growing and every one of your friends are staying in the same place. Because what will happen is you'll be in a company of people who are supposed to pull you up, they'll be pulling you down. So go at the same time with your circle. All of you should grow together by joining the Association of African Startups. You really do not want to be left behind in what is going to happen in this association in the next 12 months. I can guarantee you it's going to change the game. Thank you, and we cannot wait to see you.